Both hands. One hand, then the other hand. Do it again. Yes! That's
Good job.
Do it again. Don't choke on your own spit. Go. Are you breathing? No. Hands up for me. Look serious. Go. Shh. Did you breathe? I didn't hear you. Do it again. No, you gotta make this sound. Shh. Do it when you punch. Yes. Now the other one. Yes. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Now we just don't want to smile. No, Jax. Come back. And we got to keep our shirt on, big guy. Stand up. Jax, stand up for me, sir. Hands up. Now you're going to do it faster like this. Shh, shh. Serious face. Faster. Faster. And stop. Put our feet together. Okay, now don't move from that spot. Hold it. I'm watching your feet. Don't move. Don't look at Grandma either. Nope. Look at me. Look at me. Keep your eyes on me. Wherever I go. Close one eye. Now the other. Now open both eyes. Hold it. No, your feet aren't touching. Toes have to be touched. Touch your toes together. Touch your toes. Touch your toes together. Ooh, you're swoops. Stand up for me. You're sturdy. Together. There you go. Now show me your salute.